Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick Queen as she's my only contact here. And all we have to do right now is to simply tap on Edit Contact in the right lower corner. Now let's tap on this camera icon. At least try. Okay, so here, as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo, and thanks to this option your device will open the camera app. So that's the best way to have a photo if you've got the person from the contact right in front of you and you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will simply pick this option. As you can see, we will be transferred to the gallery, so let's just find the contact you'd like to use. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of this highlighted square. We can zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So here you can also rotate the picture just like that, just by using, let's say, the swiper. It's up to you, and if you're ready, just tap on Done in the right lower corner. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, maybe not immediately, but it has been applied here. So remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the contact has been saved. Here we've got our photo we just added. What's more, it will be visible on the contact list. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your TOSCIDO X109. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.